Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. This evening we have a Galaxy DX-979 Pro RFX. This is for Cory in Idaho. Pro RFX means it's modified with an RFX 75, receiver improvement modifications, synthesizer alignments, receiver alignment, transmitter alignment, the whole 9 yards there. Okay, so Cory, up on this watt meter, I got 30 watts across the bottom scale. Coming in right at 15, and the power is all the way up. And if I turn the power all the way down, let me go to the next scale down, so it's 10 across the top now. Yep, just a shy end of there, 3.5. So much for the forward where I thought I had it. Over on this watt meter, 100 watt peak reading. We're going to be reading right in here 60 and there's 80.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check 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 check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check check check. 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay, I'm going to do a little sideband.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check 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 check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio.
Okay, yeah, this one's inside now.
Audio check 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 check. 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay, let's put it on the air.
How about it, 19? Can I get a quick radio check? Audio check check check. How about it? Is this radio getting out? Breaker, break, break, break. Well, I'm gonna try one more time. How about it, channel 19? Can I get a radio check? Break, break, break. I appreciate it, driver. You have a Merry Christmas and a good night.